What is going on, Reddit? I am going to take this challenge on here from DragonSymphonyMusic. This one is way too easy. Hopefully I can convince you to make the jump this year to start learning Git Transformer Power Query. So I just copied this data here into these workbooks. I'm going to just make a quick table, Control-T, table has headers, products, colors, looks good. Sheet 2, same, Control-T, table has headers, awesome. And we can call this one table name. We'll just call it colors up here in the top. It doesn't really matter. These steps aren't necessary, but it's just good to kind of get in the habit of labeling things. And then this one will be packages. So if you're on 2016 or Office 3, well, actually Office 365 just changed. Git Transform is now located within the Get External Data, but I'm here using 2016. If you're on 2013 or 2010, you will see a Power Query ribbon tab. So I'm just now going to select From Table. I'm going to go ahead and load this one. We now see that this query has been loaded. The colors, name of the table that I used, close and load to. I'm just going to create connection only, turning off data model. We're not doing anything with Power Pivot. Sheet 2, same thing, data, get and transform section from table. This now loads our queries here. So we have our colors table, we have our packages. Now I'm going to do a merge here. So I'm going to go to our colors, I'm going to select merge queries. And I'm going to use this colors as my left table, packages as my right table. So I'm going to select products, just honestly clicking it. Click products, that easy. No more VLOOKUP, no more index match, no bizarre sum product lookup. One click, 2 clicks, done. Join kind is going to be our left outer, so it'll be matching from the first and then the second here. So let's hit OK. We now see our table that has been added here. So packages 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If I go down to product blue, 1, 2, 3, 4. I now want to expand this so that I can get the results. Use column or use a original column name as prefix. What that means is it would do packages period products or packages period packages. We do not need that. I don't want the query name as a prefix. So I'm going to turn that off, turn those off. I just want to bring in packages, hit OK. And just like that, solution now provided. Hopefully this video has convinced you to start looking into Power Query or Getting Transformed this year, and also just kind of the power of the M language. Awesome. RXL, I love you. Have a great night.